Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. I'm sure you've already read by the title. Yeah, we're doing it finally. A lot of people have been asking me throughout the year, when are we gonna do a giveaway? Is there gonna be a giveaway? There is a giveaway to wrap up the year that has been 2020. I know I have been away. I know I disappeared from the face of the earth. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I am alive. A lot was happening. I was getting married, well, traditionally married. For those of you who are from Zimbabwe or from Southern Africa, I was having my rora, my lobola. And yeah, so a lot happened. And I got a little bit overwhelmed and I didn't film for a few weeks, so I apologize for that. I should have communicated. In hindsight, I look back and I'm like, yeah, should have said something, should have, but life happens at the end of the day. So we are here now and we're back and we're better, and we're refreshed, we're revitalized, we have energy now, we're not stressed and planning and all that kind of stuff. So the year is coming to an end, and I just wanted to do a little giveaway to thank you guys, my subscribers, my followers, the notification gang. I just wanted to thank you guys for your love and your continuous support. This year has been a roller coaster, and I just wanted to end it with something fun, end it with something exciting, end it with something that's, something to look forward to. So let's finally get into the giveaway. I will be giving away some cash shmoney, in US dollars, not Australian dollars, because you know the Australian money is a little bit lower than the US dollar. So I think for it to actually have influence, it needs to be USA. I'm going to give away 150 US dollars. There's going to be a winner. Second prize winner is going to get $30, and third prize winner is going to get 20 US dollars. $100 winner, $30 winner, $20 winner, 150 US dollars in totals. So you do have to have your notification bell on to be a part of this giveaway. And you do have to be following me on Instagram. I will be checking. So you cannot follow me once you've won. You cannot turn your notification bell once you've won and then try and, suss it out like that. No, that's not how it works. You can subscribe now, you can follow me on Instagram now, but once the competition has closed, and if you are picked as a winner and you do not follow the terms and condition, the next person will be picked as the winner. Without further ado, the terms and conditions. Terms and conditions are: you have to be a notification gang member, you have to have your notification bell on. 2, you have to obviously be subscribed to my channel. You can't have your notification bell on without being subscribed to my channel. 3, you have to be following me on Instagram. So rush over to Instagram if you're not on Instagram and follow me on Instagram as well. And then lastly, the last term and condition, I want you to write down in the comment section below, what is one thing, or things if you want, that you are grateful for this year of 2020. I want it to be a positive thing. 2020 has been a roller coaster of a year, but we still have things to be grateful for in this year. So I want you to write in the comment section below what you are grateful for this year. So the winner will be picked based off their response to the essay topic. Whatever it is that you want to buy that you haven't had the money to buy, I hope this money will help someone, and I hope this money will go to someone that genuinely needs it. So the winner will be picked on the 31st of December, and the announcement will be on the 1st of December on the Friday video. Good luck to everybody, and I love you guys so much. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the new year. Mwah.